1984 by George Orwell. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Literary Mind. Today we're talking about one of the most important books ever written. A book that created words we use every day. A book that feels like it was written for our time, even though it came out in 1949. It's called 1984 by George Orwell. Now, I know what you're thinking. 1949? That's ancient history, and 1984 is even further in the past for you. But trust me, this book is like a secret manual to understanding the world, and it's way more exciting than it sounds. So, who was George Orwell? His real name was Eric Blair. He wasn't just a writer who sat in a fancy room making things up. He fought in wars, lived as a poor person in London and Paris to see what it was like, and he cared deeply about truth and freedom. He saw how governments could tell lies and control people, and it scared him. He wrote 1984 as a warning, like a giant, flashing red alarm bell for the future. So, what's the story about? Imagine a world that's always gray, a world where a giant, powerful government called the Party watches you every second. And I mean every second, through telescreens, which are like TVs that watch you back. They tell you what to think, what to eat, what to believe. They even say that 2 plus 2 equals 5, and you have to believe it. We follow a man named Winston Smith. He's not a superhero. He's just an ordinary guy who works at a boring office job, but his job is terrifying. He rewrites history. He changes old newspaper articles so that whatever the Party says now appears to have always been true. He starts to have a dangerous thought. I want to be free. I want to know the truth. And in this world, thinking for yourself is the worst crime of all. Here's the cool and scary thing. Orwell invented ideas and words in this book that we use all the time. Ever heard of Big Brother? That phrase comes straight from this book. Big Brother is watching you. It's that feeling of being constantly watched or tracked online. Thought police? That's from here too. The idea of being punished for what you think. And my personal favorite, newspeak. This was the government's plan to shrink the language, to destroy words. Why? Because if you don't have a word for freedom, how can you even think about being free? Mind-blowing, right? So why should you read this book? Because it's about power. It helps you spot when someone is trying to trick you, control you, or hide the truth. It's about why your own thoughts are your most powerful weapon. When you see a meme, a news story, an ad, or even a rule at school that seems unfair, 1984 gives you the tools to ask, wait, is this true? Who benefits if I believe this? This book has influenced so much. It inspired movies like The Matrix and shows like Black Mirror. Every time you see a dystopian story where a hero fights a huge, controlling system, they're standing on the shoulders of Winston Smith. 1984 isn't just a gloomy story. It's actually a book about hope. Hope that even when things seem darkest, the human desire for truth and love and freedom can't be completely wiped out. It's a challenge, from George Orwell to you, to pay attention, to value the truth, and to always protect your right to think for yourself. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Dive into 1984. It might just change how you see everything. Thanks for watching The Literary Mind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more book adventures. What classic should we explore next? Let me know in the comments.